To display caption with raised text effect in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference and then tap caption size and style. While the caption style is set to custom, scroll down the screen, tap add style and then select raise. Now the caption will be displayed with raised text effect. As a note, if you have set to enable the caption, this setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.